Chicken busting. I make this at camp all the time. You ain't got no chicken left, girl.
Cook good and look good.
What's up? It's your girl Queemie Jones, back live in the flesh, and thank you for returning back to my YouTube channel where I teach you how to cook good and look good. Yeah. Y'all, it's been a long time since I made a fried chicken recipe, and I'm happy to give you a classic, no fry, no oil, straight in the oven. You can use it whenever you coven some chicken cravings. Y'all, the whole entire summer I was up in Iran. My thing was, how am I gonna make fried foods without frying it? Today we'll be using America's classic cereal to dredge our chicken and fry it with no oil. And if you're interested in a video like that, say hint, okay? Because I got something great, y'all. And thank you for all you returning watchers. And if y'all new here, I'm Q to the U, double E-M-I-E, J-1-E-S. And you can follow me on all platforms. Let's get it crack-a-lacking. Okay, so as you can see, we have here a family pack of chicken. These are drumsticks, and we're gonna take the skin off the drumsticks. Yes, they're partially frozen, but do I give a damn? No. All right, so you're gonna put half a cup of apple cider vinegar on the now ball-headed chicken. This not only strips that slime away, but helps tenderize the chicken as well. And I like to toss it up in there. Hit the ABCs on it a couple times. ABC. So we have here mustard and sriracha. About 3/4 of a cup of mustard and about 1/4 of a cup of sriracha. And flip this around and let this marinate from 2 to 24 hours. Okay. So we have here our cornflakes, and we're about to beat them. Make the smallest hole you can. Get that air out, and keep on beating. Now, it was way easier when I had a Robocool, but we gonna do what we do. So we have here some dill that I dried out. Boom. Then we have some no salt seasoning, which you can't see the label because the glare is busting. You can use Miss Dash. You can use a dollar store knockoff. More is better. A celery seed, which is not a lot of celery seed to use. Italian seasoning, cayenne, lime peel, some onion powder, some paprika, some oregano, some Cajun powder, some black pepper, some cutie, original. Mix it. We're gonna wet hand, dry hand this method. All you're gonna do is take the piece of chicken and throw it right into the cornflakes. Flip it around Make sure it looks like a piece of fried chicken. A little trick of the trade, I love putting some non-stick spray on top because it helps like almost fry it, crisping it more. Boom. You're gonna put this in your oven at 425 degrees for 35 minutes, okay? Baby, come on. Wow. You see the golden crispiness of the chicken. Now think about it. Honestly, you can put this in the air fryer. And this is for the girlies who can't fry chicken or a hot dog. Like get burnt up all the time. No matter how I can guide you, you get burnt. Regardless, but you gonna eat though. You feel me? Your date is gonna be like, oh my God, dang, this fried chicken is good. How did you do that? You gonna tell them what's some freaking cornflakes. Here's the bite to let you know it's hot. More delicioso. You know, when it comes to some fried chicken, I'm gonna make it available, accessible, successful for you. Try this fried chicken. It will be a great decision. Look at it. Don't hate. Don't hate. God died. I teach people how to cook and all that. Baby girl, when you can't fry no chicken, try this. You don't have to worry about getting burnt on. Okay. All right, y'all. It's your girl, Queemie. Bye.
Check 2, 2, 1, 2.